Love this. Love all of this. Just loving every second of this. Loving this. Hello, it's Lauren. I'm back with some more Alice in Chains today. I did Love, Hate, Love last time, and I knew a handful of Alice in Chains songs, all the big ones. And today I will be trying Rain When I Die. I had a poll of sorts, and this one had the most likes, the most thumbs up. I did want to address one thing from the Love, Hate, Love video. So many people in the comment section were like, you should have done the live one. Like, what a shame. First of all, it's not like I could never watch that video. I mean, but more importantly, I am a studio first kind of person, so that's that. I do recognize this cover. Many great songs have come from this album, so I don't know what to expect other than awesomeness. I mean, really, that's all there is to say. So let's just get right into this. Here we go. I'll back it up. It's okay. The harmony here, Jerry, right? It's like Jerry's like sitting down here. Because, I mean, lots of bands do harmony, but sometimes in the mix, it's like his voice, I'm assuming this is Jerry, his voice is like, I don't really know how to describe it. It's sticking out more so than harmonies usually do. That's the best I can explain this. Hopefully you know what I mean here. And that is super cool. That's why you should always wear headphones when you listen to music, especially the first time you hear a song, because you pick up on those little things. That was awesome. The bass was awesome. The whole intro was awesome. And this has a really awesome groove. The riff is really awesome. So yeah, I'm a fan of this so far. I think what I will do is start it again, but then edit out the beginning. That's what I've been doing lately with my videos. So I'll meet you back here in just a second. I'm going to start it over though. So I will be right back. Sorry, Lane. And sorry to you as well. I really like the sound of this. I really like this era of music a lot. And I didn't mean to start a controversy. Maybe I didn't even start a controversy, but I called this a grunge band. I always considered Alice in Chains a grunge band. Then, forgive me, I don't remember who told me this. You said they weren't really a grunge band. So, what's your take on this? Let me know, because when I think of grunge, the grunge era, I just automatically think Nirvana, Pearl Jam, Alice in Chains, Stone Temple Pilots, and Soundgarden? Yes? Hopefully I didn't just lose a bunch of you with that list there. Like, how stupid are you? That is not grunge music. But to me, that handful of bands, that's what I think of grunge music. And this one, definitely, no matter what genre you call this, I really like these guys a lot. I love Lane's voice so much, which I got into in the last one. I mean, again, he just has one of those voices that is just like totally unique, will never be done again, you know. Love his voice and just the sound of it all in general. The sound of this I really like. But I'm gonna have to go back a little bit because I always, you know, like I try to find a good spot, never a good spot. We gotta hear that again. Oh, those are some cool notes in there. Chords, harmonies, whatever. Where'd that come from? Okay, gotta hear that again. Just a second, let me back this up. Where did that come from? Okay then. I didn't want to cut that note off, so I had to wait a minute. But oh, this song is getting better as it goes. I mean, it started out really strong, but it's just like continuing to just get better and better. That guitar solo, that section there, guitar solos are not my favorite. I don't really get into them. But this guitar solo, I don't mind because it was interesting. Like it had other things going on in the background. It was like a whole band guitar solo. Like the whole band was in on it. Everyone was doing something cool. So, love that. Love the vocal, obviously. The groove of this. I am really enjoying this so much. More than the last one, I have to say. I mean, it's a totally different kind of sound, so it's hard to compare. But, oh yeah, loving this. Loving this. I'm already ready to hear it again, but I have a minute left, so we'll hear that first, but then I'll hear it again. The fade out. Had I known this, I would have just left it on. I didn't know. It's still going. Oh. What? How awesome was that? I wish I hadn't to talk through it. Stupid. I thought it was over. I thought I could just say this now instead of waiting. But yeah, that was super cool. It's like we're going to fade out. We're fading away. We're done. Oh, just kidding. We're back. That's one of the coolest endings of a song maybe I've ever heard in my life. That was just really cool. Really cool ending. Love that. I wanted to say when I did this that I love how Lane uses his voice as an instrument, and you're probably thinking, yeah, everybody does that. Every singer does that. Their voice is their instrument. But it's like, he's not the only singer to do this, but he can just do, it's like the when there are no lyrics and he's just sort of doing vocal magic. I just call it vocal magic. I mean, he just sounds like another instrument playing with everyone, and it's just his voice. I mean, again, he's not the only singer that does that. Plenty of singers do that. But he's just one that stands out as being stellar at doing that. Just when I thought I really loved the song a lot, that ending happened. I just can't get over the ending. I'm still trying to get over the ending. But I'm going to listen to the whole thing again. But let me just say, if you don't want to stick around, you probably already left. But if you're still here, love this. Love all of this. Just loving every second of this. Loving this. So I'm going to listen to it again, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to tell you again how much I loved all of this, and then I'll say goodbye. So stay tuned for that. Hello again, I'm back. I still love it. I don't think you're going to find another Lane. Just such a classic voice. I don't know. I've always really liked his voice since like the first time I heard it. I'm going to guess Man in the Box was probably the first Alice in Chains song that I heard. And, you know, since then it was just like, who is this guy? Who is this voice? Love his voice. So yeah, nothing really to add here except just to remind you how much I love the song. I mean, really loved this one. So I will do another Alice in Chains poll. So be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys for voting and for watching. And maybe I'll see you for another one.